ఏం పేరు నీ పేరు?
శంకర్.
శంకర్. వయసు ఎంత?
వయసు 45, 2 ఎకరాలు.
45, 45 ఇయర్స్. నర్సయ్య ఇక్కడ నిజామాబాద్ ఉంటావు కదా? ఏం పని చేసినావు నువ్వు?
మేము కూలి పని.
కూలి లేబర్ పని. ఈజ్ లేబరర్, రోడ్ సైడ్ వర్క్, ఆల్ దట్ థింగ్. సో ఈ కేమ్ టు మీ. ఏం బాధకి వచ్చినావు?
దమ్మాస్తుంది.
ఎప్పటి నుంచి?
సంవత్సరమే ఇక.
ఇప్పుడు మళ్ళీ ఎప్పటి నుంచి వచ్చింది?
అంటే 4 రోజులు.
4 రోజులు దాకా ఎక్కువైంది. నడుస్తే వస్తుంది దమ్?
నడిస్తే నేను గిడికి 2 అడుగులు వేసి దమ్మాస్తుంది.
స్మాల్ బ్రెత్లెస్నెస్ ఇస్ 4 days. దగ్గు
కొంచెం ఉంది.
4 days. ఇంకా వాషింగ్ ముఖం వాసిందా? కాలు వాసిందా?
కాలు వాసి.
Fetal edema since 4 days. So, history of present is the chief complaints. Breathlessness 4 days, cough 4 days, fetal edema 4 days. History of present illness. He was apparently asymptomatic 4 days back. Then you notice that there is increased fetal edema, both sides, increased breathlessness. Breathlessness was grade 2 starting with, but he said he's now even at rest is breathless. In the night he also used to get up many times to decrease the breathlessness. Cough, dry cough, no sputum. Now, ఛాతీ నొప్పి ఏమైనా ఉందా ఇప్పుడు?
ఇప్పుడైతే లేదు.
నో చెస్ట్ పెయిన్, ఫీవర్ లేదు, నో ఫీవర్. నా హిస్టరీ ఆఫ్ పాస్ట్ ఇల్నెస్. ఈ బాధలు ఎప్పటి నుంచి నడుస్తుంది నీకు? దమ్ము
4 రోజులు.
ముందు ఎన్ని సంవత్సరాల నుంచి ఉంది?
లేదు,
1 year.
కన్ను రాకముందు నెల నుంచి చూపించుకుంటున్నా.
సంవత్సరం దగ్గర అయింది. దమ్ము వస్తుంది, ఆయాసం వస్తుంది, కాలు మధ్య మధ్యలో అవుతుంది.
అంతే.
He's got similar complaints since 1 year. Regular shortness of breath, cough, breathing problem, fetal edema. Or he took many times medicines. He was investigated also. But all the time he was stopping medicines. Now, అలవాటు ఏముంది నీకు? అప్పుడు స్మోకింగ్ అలవాటు ఉంది, బీడీ అలవాటు ఉంది కదా చాలా. 20 సంవత్సరాలు తాగిన బీడీ అప్పుడు? 20 years.
10
సంవత్సరాలు డైలీ 2 packets of బీడీ యూస్ టు స్మోక్. Alcohol 1 quarter daily for last 2 years. Now he stopped after getting this disease is 1 month. It's a addiction. Now urine output is scanty now. He says maturation now is becoming scanty. His body sweating has got less urine output. Treatment, on and off he is taking medicine. Many times he is stopping. On examination, with the history we thought that it's a case of breathlessness, fetal edema, cough, maybe relating to cardiovascular system, more like heart failure, and smoker, alcoholic might be the cause. Hypertension, diabetes, he says is not aware whether he's got hypertension or diabetes. On examination, now I will show you the few things. Mask this him up.
థైరాయిడ్ ఉందని చెప్పిన.
So on his face, his puffiness is little. There is no cyanosis. కింద చూడు, నో పైలర్, నో ఇక్ట్రస్, నో పైలర్. నాలుగు చూపించు. Little pallor is there, but neck, interesting thing is, you can see the JVP is raised. Dancing, see veins, all ACB waves, 3 waves you can see nicely. JVP is raised up to the middle of the neck. Definitely it is raised JVP. And hand చూపించు. చూపించు. No pallor, no clubbing like a mild club you can say. పండుకు ఇక్కడ చూస్తా, కాలు పాపు చూస్తా. So legs are little edematous, both legs. They're pitting on pressure. We see. Yes, I pressed against the ankle. This is pitting on pressure. You can nicely see this. Now I will examine him. Shirt తీసి వంగ తీసేయాలి ఒకసారి. పండుకో. I have examined his pulse. BP recorded already. Pulse is 90 per minute. Regular. Normal character. All peripheral pulses felt. Other pulse I felt. And dorsalis. PDs also I felt. These. They are equally palpable. They are normal. Posterior tibial, I felt they are normal. Femorals, I felt they are normal. Okay, all peripheral was normal. Respiratory rate 28 per minute. Temperature is normal. Now after this general examination, is breathless. You can see is breathless. Cooperative. Though he can sleep now, but many times he has to get up all the time. With this, we'll go for cardiovascular system examination. Inspection of chest. Let us see if there is something on chest. You can see something, pulsation or something you can see. Yes, there are pulsation and cardiac apex. In the inspection, I could not know. Now I'm directly going to the palpation. But once I put on the palpation my hand, I can see the right parasternal heave. I can feel grade 2. It is right parasternal. This left parasternal. This area, it is moving. And try to palpate the apex beat, outermost and lowermost pulsation. It is in 6th space here outside the midclavicular line. This much I could make out. And percussion, because of the lack of time I am avoiding. Auscultation, I ausculted him. All the mitral area, tricuspid area, pulmonary area, aortic area. The areas I have ausculted. It's got a lot of ausculted findings. Third heart sound also heard in the mitral area, and there is a pan-systolic murmur in mitral area, soft blowing, and in the pulmonary area, P2 loud, aortic area, systolic murmur, ejection systolic murmur is heard, which is related to the neck. Now, after that I examine hepatomegaly there or not. You can see that JVP is further fully engorged. You can see line of posture. I try to palpate his abdomen. Swasta disko. So you got this much liver enlargement up to this costal margin, 4 centimeter from midclavicular line. This is all palpable liver. Tender. నొస్తుందా బాబా టచ్ చేస్తా అదే అడిగినా నీకు ఇది నొస్తుందా లేదా కాలుజం వాసింది కాలుజం వాసింది ఓకే సో దీస్ ఆర్ ద ఫ్యూ ఫైండింగ్స్ ఐ థాట్ ఐ విల్ discuss this case immediately once he leave the place. So, butter is go. What I have seen this case is This case shows that he's got heart failure symptoms, lot of signs. Symptoms I already discussed. Signs. Though he got less puffiness phase, but pedal edema is there. Bilateral pitting. You've seen the JVP very much raised, or ACV waves you can see nicely. And other thing we found is hepatomegaly, tender hepatomegaly. This shows there is definitely right heart failure. Now left parasternal view shows it is a right ventricular hypertrophy. Left side apex was in the sixth intercostal outside line. There is a biventricular hypertrophy. Lot of pericardial pulsations are there. Systolic murmurs, mitral area and pulmonary area and aortic area. So with that, in the lungs, bilateral basal bronchi, basal area, both sides, compresses the heart. With this, I tried to investigate this case. Finally compresses. And at the back, I have investigated this case to the chest X-ray and did a 2D echo just long back. And after the lockdown, he never came. He suffered. I found him hypertensive, 170 by 110, and then the 2D echo showed left ventricular hypertrophy and yes, this showed cardiomegaly, lungs almost clear. That is 1 year back. Video finding, the finding, echo. Ejection fraction has come down. Global hypocone is left ventricle. PR, MR, what is a pulmonary hypertension is the finding. Then I labeled this case in the case of dilated heart, dilated cardiomyopathy, which consists cardiac failure with COPD. This is what, and then the treatment. I started diuretic, torsemide, spironolactone tablet, and then I have given ramipril 5 mg, heart failure, so beta blocker, bisoprolol 2.5 mg heart tablet daily. It's dilated heart, so digoxin only half tablet daily, 0.25 mg half tablet. So he's got hypertension, alcoholic history, smoker. So dilated cardiomyopathy may be ischemic, alcoholic. So we are given thiamine, high dose tablets, thiamine 100 mg tablets, B12 tablets. We stopped alcohol, smoking study we stopped. So this is improved, but because of lockdown he could not come. Since 4 days is You got all the symptoms worsening. So I'm planning to start once again cardiomyopathy treatment. That's a diuretic. Combination is spironolactone, digoxin, half dose, and bronchodilators, theophylline group, and Ramipril, that will lessen the heart failure, and also since I got hypertension, ACE inhibitor Ramipril also will work, and bisoprolol, antihypertensive plus heart failure reverse diabetic cardiomyopathy. I'm once again adding, and we will follow up this case for after a month. So this is the case of smoker, 50-year-old, with lot of alcohol consumption history, came with heart failure status. Last 3 class for heart failure. Since 1 year he is suffering recurrent heart failure episodes. On examination, we found investigation showed that he is probably got dilated cardiomyopathy, could be ischemic, alcoholic. On that line, he is on treatment. So I present a case of congestive heart failure for the students with few findings, positive findings in this case, raised GFT, pedal edema, enlarged liver tender, and precordial findings. We showed that there is a evidence of cardiomegaly.